The fate of Jennifer Crumbley now in the hands of the jury as deliberations begin. 7 days of testimony, all coming down to this, and a verdict could come at any minute.
The prosecution called 21 witnesses in all, and the defense called just Crumbley to testify. Sean Lay has been in the courtroom every step of the way, and he is live for us right now. Sean, these jurors have a lot to weigh before they come to a decision.
Every item, every file, every video delivered to the jury room around 10:15 this morning. Look, guys, here's the very latest. The judge starting her jury instructions at 9:15 this morning, took about 45 minutes. She really boiled down exactly what this case against Jennifer Crumbley is really all about. So much at stake here. Crumbley was in the courtroom as the jurors walked out with, as you say, her fate in their hands.
As jurors, you must decide what the facts of this case are. This is your job and nobody else's.
Oakland Circuit Court Judge Cheryl Matthews instructing the jury this morning, the jury that will decide the fate of Jennifer Crumbley. 6 men and 6 women making up the jury. 5 alternates were also selected by the judge. This after an incredibly emotional and tense trial. The judge acknowledging how taxing this has been for everyone.
I think you can imagine that this has been a very emotional and stressful event for both parties, the prosecutor, the defense, and the families, and it's been a lot for the courthouse too.
The judge also spelling out what the jury must decide. That Jennifer Crumbley is responsible for the deaths of Hannah St. Juliana, Madison Baldwin, Justin Schilling, and Tate Meir for not properly securing a firearm. And if Crumbley failed to perform her legal duty as a parent, to provide ordinary care that would have addressed her son's issues.
The prosecutor claims that the defendant committed involuntary manslaughter because she was grossly negligent.
Back here live outside Oakland County Courthouse, first of its kind case going after and charging a parent for their son or daughter's mass shooting. That's what's happening here with the Crumbley case. Again, the jury got this case around 10:15 this morning. When I mentioned exhibits and files, boxes of that matter, there's about 400 to 500 exhibits the prosecutors put on. Remember, the defense only called one witness in its defense of Jennifer Crumbley, and that was Jennifer Crumbley herself, plus days of added testimony with all of the witnesses that the prosecutors called. They got the case at 10:15. The judge says she'll send in coffee and then likely lunch right now. We're out here. If there's a verdict, you'll be first to know, guys. Back to you.
Yeah, and everybody watching by the minute. All right, Sean, we'll continue to have special coverage right on Local 4 Plus, including reaction to the verdict as soon as it comes down. You can also follow that at clickondetroit.com.